today we are going to write a Python program on trigonometry. So this program will make the graph on sine theta, cosine and tan theta. I have imported turtle here. So first I have showed the output and then we will write the full code. So this is the sine theta. No, this is cos theta, I think. Yes, this is cos theta. This is sine theta. This is, and this is tan theta. So it has gone up, then it will come down, and then we will write a full code, and I will explain in line by line. Here this is, then it will come up down. So now I will start with a new code. Now let's start the code. First we will import turtle, and import met. These two are modules. So I will make a new variable. W is equal to turtle dot screen, and now I will make one more variable. 2 is equal to turtle dot turtle. Now first we will move the, so if I want to go the turtle or the point back side in the left direction, so I will write this. If I want to make it go in right side, I will type forward, or I can also write FD in short form, 360. Now T dot stamp, now it will make a point. T dot stamp, T dot backward, 180. T dot 180. Now T dot back, T dot 180. T dot LT, left, 90. Forward, upside forward mean to go up, downward mean to go downside, left, LT mean left to go left in the left direction, and RT mean in the right direction. T dot FD, 100. Now T dot stamp to make a checkpoint. Now just we will run this code to see the output. Turtle, dating mean turtle. I don't understand. Okay, yes, in this line I have to make the turtle in the, yes, now I will run it. So it will make a graph like this. Now we will come on the second step. T dot backward, BK, BK 200 times. T dot FT forward, 100 times. T dot right, in right side, yes, T dot in right side, 90. T dot BK 180. T dot pen up. Pen up mean that if I will do pen up, then it will not start writing, it will stop writing. Mean if I have a pen, if I will write, it will be pen down, and if I don't want to write, then I will do pen up. So T dot pen up, So I will go to t dot rt right, t dot right till 90, t dot fd forward, in forward direction 180. Now t dot pen down. Now I will make a for loop for I in range till from 1 minus 80 to 181. So t dot go to I math dot cos theta cos math dot radius radian yes radians I into 100. T dot pen up, T dot go to minus 100 till 0. No minus yes to 0 minus 200 होगा हाँ, minus 200 होगा जो वापस फिर से हाँ minus 200 to 0, 200 to 0 in graph. So from now this will make from sin cos theta, so it will go up and go here and make some problem. But not really this was वही प्रॉब्लम है मुझे सोचने दे भाई क्या बड़े किंतु मैंने अभी कह रहा हूँ आई थिंक पेंडर मैंने अभी किया यहाँ पर तो बड़े फिल्म मोर का एफ लेफ्ट forward right forward 180. अच्छा हाँ अच्छा 180 नहीं होगा ना, वो 100 होगा. अब दिखता अब सही लेगा शायद से 100 होगा ना. हाँ अब सही चले, अब सही चले हाँ. Now I will write program for next sin theta for I for now I will make one more for j in range same minus 180 to 181. Now I will type t dot go to j math dot sin math dot radians j into 100 till 100 into 100 कुछ एरर है. Yes, next stuff. Now same t dot pen up t dot go to minus 200 to 0 for h in range minus 180 to 181. Same t dot and down. T dot go to H. Mat dot tan. Mat dot gradients bracket में H into में 100. Now let's check that it will working fine. If it work fine, we passed. Oh, मैं पेन करना भूल गया यहाँ पे ना, मैं बटन टर्न करना भूल गया. यस, टी डॉट पेन डाउन. एक बार में कोड पूरा नहीं हो पाया. अब से लेगा ये सही बन गया, ये सही बन रहा है. यस, एंड tan थीटा, it will take time to come down. Because it goes to infinity it can come down. Yes, it has come down. We passed. So I will meet you next video. Please like and subscribe.